I missed it! Do it again!
No, I can't do it again.
Do it again! Okay, go!
Oh.
Do it again!
I want to hit it!
Oh God, Taylor!
You still missed it. You didn't slow motion.
I'll get it! Wait, ready? Ah, that hurt my finger. That sounded like a bird.
Yeah, taking the jacket off is gonna help.
You got it off! Aaron, you try. Good job! Woo! Oh, you almost caught it.
Watch out!
Good job. The little kid did better than you, Aaron.
Oh, you're going for distance?
Yeah.
You are stupid. You're like, oh yeah, that's right, I'm cool.